can see water's coming out. Hello everyone. So recently I was thinking to get a small washing machine. Okay, so when I went to Google, actually when I went inside the supermarket, I saw this one here, the color Sponono. Okay, so we are going to open it and use it for the first time and see how it performs. Let's see what we got inside. Okay, it's what we got. Gonna remove this one, and this is the washing machine itself here. You can remove this plastic. Here's the machine. Stand it like this. As you can see it here. Let's pull it up. They say you need to register as online so you can get 2-year warranty. If you don't do that, you only get 1-year warranty. Here's the machine. Open it. So this is what we got inside. This is for spinning. Cannot really put a lot of stuff inside here. Okay. So this one here, it go here. And if you wanna plug it on your tip, so it can fill it up with water. Okay. You can see here. You just pull it like this and remove the water. Just to cover it. You're gonna have to read this. You must read this very carefully. They say don't use it to exceed 10 minutes. Okay, so when you use it 10 minutes continuously, okay, when it's spinning without giving it a 10-minute break, so you need to give this machine a break. Give it 10 minutes. Okay, they say when it cut off while you are using it, you must switch off the power and wait 15 minutes. Very important. So when your clothes are too dirty, okay, you can go to 10. Okay, if your clothes are not that dirty, you can just put it to 3. Spinning, you come to 5. Okay, it's gonna spin until 0. Let's turn. Let's see the back. This is the back here. You can see the power cord. Let's go like this. Okay, so I'm gonna plug it now and test it. So I try to fill it up like this, but I think it's too small. I'm gonna just use the basket and put water inside. So what I'm going to wash here is my uniform. It's very dirty, as you can see, like. So I'm gonna wash this. Okay, like this. Look how dirty it is. I'm gonna also put my bed sheet inside and see. Now I'm going to put water inside. Need more water. The water must be around here. I think I might need more water. I think this is enough. Yeah, this is enough. So I'm gonna use washing liquid. I'm gonna just put maybe 1 or 2. So 2. I'm gonna see with 2. Now it's time to test it. Close. I'm gonna do 8. You can hear it turning. What? Yeah. Turning. Oh my god, can you see how dirty this thing is? Look. As you can see, it's almost done. And come to off, mean it's finished. Finish. To be honest, I'm happy with it. Absolutely. So I'm gonna see the uniform. It was so dirty. I'm gonna remove this water and I'm gonna wash it again another 8 minutes and we are done. Now to remove the water, do like this. You can see. Damn, this thing is so dirty. Yeah. I'm gonna try spinning. Put it like this. You 10. Just try those 2. Yeah, by it. That's all. Close. And go. You can see water's coming out. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to share it, like and subscribe. Ciao.